G'day, Adam Franklin with you again. Still in the Margaret River, this time at a place called Bunker Bay. Now it is totally spectacular. I love this time of the evening. And what I want to talk to you about in this video is the concept of taking people on a journey with your digital marketing. So just like I've kind of done with you over the last few videos, I've taken you to different places around WA, Western Australia, specifically around the Margaret River area. And each time I've shared a story or shared some insights. And the equivalent, I mean, this is obviously digital marketing, but the equivalent with your own marketing is to actually have a journey that you take people on, or not even take them on, but give them the opportunity to go on at their own pace. So really what we want to be able to do is allow your prospects and allow anybody really to get to know, like and trust you, and then raise their hand to do business, and then transition to those sales conversations. And it doesn't matter whether that takes them 1 day or 1 year or more or less, but to actually map out a path and have a journey that they can go on is really, really important for your digital marketing. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It can literally just be a series of 3 to 5 steps, basically starting with something that you might publish or give away for free that can be found, and then give them value and educate them along the way so that by the end of that journey they can get to the end and have a fairly good understanding of whether they are a good fit and whether they feel like you're the right person to go on that journey with. So if you've enjoyed that, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment. If you'd like to consider working together, hit me up in a private message or an email, and I'd love to have a chat with you. See you later.